And when Jacqueline came out with her video, oh my god, no. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and say that I look like a school kid today, but you know I can't be bothered when my hair is just so oily and it's so hot in here. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new then welcome to my channel. Today I'm extremely excited because we are starting this new series on my channel wherein I've got this microscope and we are going to explore a lot of things using this. So in today's video I thought, why not start with something that I've never done before, and I want to know how it works for me because I know it works well for so many people, and I'm talking about shaving my face. Shaving my face, yes. So I bought this Tinkle razor from Amazon because this is what people use, and I have just like not even opened the packaging, so that means a lot, especially for me because I just cannot hold back. If I see something new, I have to like rip it apart, open it, feel it, see how the product actually looks like and feels like. But I was like, nope, I'm going to open and unbox / unpack this in the video itself. Now, I'm not just going to try this for the first time. I'm in fact going to compare shaving with trimming. Now, this is the Veet Sensitive Touch Electric Trimmer, and this is not the first one that Veet came out with. This is actually the improved version, if you will, and it's the bendable version. So this is how it looks like. So you can keep it vertical or you can bend it, go in that downward motion, or you know, move it to this side and go in upward motion. Ever since I've gotten this is the only product that I've been using to get rid of my peach fuzz. I don't wax or use anything else. This has been working out great for me. I know Malvika Satlani prefers shaving, and then Jacqueline Hill came out with her video and I was like sold. I had to try it after Jacqueline made the video, so I was like, yes, I have to try it now. And now that I have a digital microscope with me, I'm really inquisitive to find out which one works better and which gives you a closer or a better result in general. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Now before I jump directly into shaving or trimming, I'm going to first show you how my facial hair looks like under the microscope, and then we'll go one by one and see which one is doing a better job. Okay, so my peach fuzz / facial hair is actually very long. I cannot even believe that. Wow, that's huge. Oh my god, that is humongous. How do I have such huge facial hair? I'm just gonna see this side. Oh yeah, never mind. You guys have no idea how much I had to like stop from not getting rid of it because I wanted to make this video. I guess I'm going to go with the razor first because I don't know, I'm just excited and a little bit nervous also because I feel like it's one of those, I don't want it to be one of those things which when you start doing it you can't go back, you know, like threading your eyebrows. But I'm also excited to try and just find out how it works. So it's brand new. Whoa. Oh yeah, it's fine. You know what, I cannot do this simultaneously, so I'm first going to shave and then we will see how it looks like underneath the microscope. So here we go. Whoa, I do see my peach fuzz now. Let's do a little ASMR in this. Oh, it's actually working. I mean, there's a lot of my hair on this. So now it's time for the reveal. Let's see how my skin looks like right now. Okay, so there's still a lot of hair that I see. Interesting. Yeah, there I see one short hair. Ew, that looks so nasty. Ew, 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 ew. Whoa. Whoa. I mean, shouldn't there be very tiny little hair? Or am I the wrong one here? I don't know. But you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and try once more. Just try to get rid of how much ever I can, and then we'll check back once again. Okay, you guys, that's it. I don't think I can continue doing this because my skin is getting red almost. So now let's just see. Yeah, a lot less right now, but I mean I can still see the hair, and I'm not gonna judge just yet because I do want to go ahead with my Veet trimmer and see the length of the hair on the other side, because I mean it could be totally the microscope which is making it look so huge, which I'm sure is the case. So that's how my skin is looking like after shaving. Again, I know I could have done a little better job, but I don't know what it is. I just feel like with my Veet trimmer I get rid of my peach fuzz so quickly and so easily, and my skin does not get irritated. Right now it's quite red, so I'm not gonna go again and again, and I'm also not going over on my cheek. I might go ahead with this on my forehead later on, but yeah, I'm avoiding using this on my cheek area because as you can see I have quite a bit of breakout right now, and I don't want to irritate that anymore. So I'm now going to go ahead with my Veet trimmer. Now this is pretty simple. What I like to do with this is just switch this on. There you go. I'm not sure if you can hear it. Yeah, you can hear it. And then just push it to the right side. Oh no, actually the left side. Excuse me there. Yes, to the left side. And just remove my facial hair. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's super easy to remove with this one. I mean, can you see that? Whoa. Ooh, do we see that or what? There's just so much that comes out. And I mean, even though this has gotten red right now, it does not irritate my skin ever. So that's a good thing. Now let's see how this side looks under the microscope. Oh my god, can you see that? Yes, that's what I was talking about. Look at how tiny my hair looks after trimming. I mean, of course, I did not go all the way over my skin. I only trimmed this area for the most part. So you can still see it's pretty uneven, but I can tell you that on the area where I did go nicely and I covered it properly with the trimmer, I can see very small, tiny hair, which is a good thing. But you know what, I'm not going to judge just yet. I want to go off camera, try to shave with the razor, sitting just very close to my mirror, just try to see how to really do this properly, and then come back and we will see the final result and conclude which one works better. Okay, so I'm back after using both razor and trimmer very nicely, and now let's first see how does the side with the razor look like under the microscope. Okay, so after doing it for the second time, I do see a little bit of shorter hair, but again, I would still say that the side with the trimmer, Veet trimmer, looks a lot better. I mean, I don't know what the fuss is all about. It does the job, I'm not saying it doesn't, but it irritates your skin quite a bit, because when I was doing the same thing with my trimmer, this side of my face, even though it did get red, it does not feel dry or irritated, but this side I just could not do it multiple times because it just felt very dry and just not so good, so I had to stop. And I mean, even with the results are not that great. You just have to go multiple times, and if you have sensitive skin, you might end up irritating your skin. Okay, so now let's check the side with the trimmer. Now again, I did go once more on this side, and ooh, this side is super short, you guys. It's way shorter than the razor side, and that's pretty good. I mean, you can only see this under the microscope, but if you were to see me physically in person, I cannot see my facial hair at all on this side, which is the trimmer side. And yeah, I mean, the microscope clearly is the proof. Wow, what was that? Anyways, the microscope is clearly the proof. This side is way shorter. I think I should stop the microscope now because I think that's like enough of microscopic view for today. Alright, now I'm not just going to judge either of the technique just on how it's looking under the microscope. I'm first going to tell you how my skin looks like just in person. So if I had to look really close on the side where I used my Veet trimmer, I really barely can see any hair, any facial hair whatsoever. And on this side, I can still see facial hair, especially here. Not so much, I mean, but there's still a little bit of it that I can see, like very little. So that's that. Secondly, the process itself. So with the razor, I feel like I had to go multiple times to get the best result. I mean, if you just go once or twice, you might not even get maximum hair out of your skin, so that's pretty about it. And also, because you have to go so many times, you can irritate your skin. So that's something I do not like about using a razor. On the other hand, with the trimmer, I just had to go once or twice and it gets the job done so quickly. I'm sure you would have seen on camera, like with this side I could barely see the peach fuzz coming off, but on this side where I was using the trimmer, I could see my facial hair coming out so quickly and just so much, you know. So yeah, overall I don't think I'm going to switch to razor now because I still do like using my trimmer. Again, this can be a cheap alternative because what, you get this for 150 something, after 160 I think, after shipping and everything, if you buy from Amazon. And if you really think you might end up buying these just so many times, I'm not sure if you're really saving any money in that case. Feel wise, oh my god, this side feels so smooth. I mean, I can still feel my facial hair on this side. So overall, if I had to decide, I'm definitely going to pick a trimmer over a razor because of all of the reasons that I just described. Yeah, that's all for this video. That's my 2 cents. Again, if you still love using a razor on your face, just go ahead and do it. I'm no one here stopping you from doing it. But if you are considering choosing one of these options, I would say definitely go and get yourself a trimmer. Not necessarily a Veet trimmer, but this one is really good. Any other trimmer as well. A trimmer is definitely something I would recommend way more than using a razor. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and definitely leave me your suggestions with this microscope. I would love to make more videos for you guys because I'm just loving using this, and just it's amazing. I'm loving making videos right now, so definitely let me know, and do look out for tomorrow's video, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye bye.